1 in every 4 of us are either diabetic or pre-diabetic. 1 in 2 have gut issues. 1 in 3 are hypertensive. 1 in 10 have an autoimmune condition. This is just the tip of the iceberg of chronic diseases. Hi, I'm Anurag, co-founder of Wealthfinity.in, and if you or anyone related to you is suffering from a chronic illness, then what I'm about to tell you could change your and or their life forever. All you need to do is spare a few minutes and watch this video till the very end. Most of us have someone or the other in our family who suffers from a chronic illness. Illness like diabetes, cholesterol and high BP, chronic skin and gut issues, hormonal problems, constant knee pain or brain-related issues like dementia, Parkinson's, etc. But what if I told you the way you're treating these chronic illnesses is wrong? How? Well, it usually starts with the discovery of some symptoms. What do we do then? We consult our family doctor or a GP. What does the doctor do? The doctor sees the symptoms and prescribes some medications to treat those symptoms. For example, if someone has diabetes, the doctor will see his blood sugar level is high and give him medications to reduce it. So now every time your sugar level shoots, you take the medicine and manage it. But the big question is, does that cure the disease? No. It only keeps the symptoms in check. You're told what you're suffering from is a lifelong disease. You must manage it and learn to live with it. Right? Wrong. What if I tell you that chronic diseases are completely reversible and that you can live a disease and medicine-free life? Want to know how? Well, I'm sure all of us want to. Well, let's go back to the diabetes example. If you have type 2 diabetes, then your disease is not high sugar. High blood sugars are merely the symptoms, and treating them will not solve for diabetes. One of the major causes of high blood sugars is insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that is produced by the pancreas and helps the absorption of blood sugars into the cells. When we have type 2 diabetes, in conventional treatment practice, we are told that our insulin production has reduced. That is not completely correct. In type 2 diabetes, the pancreas are producing enough insulin, but the problem is that the cells have become insulin resistant. So they don't absorb the blood sugars. This unabsorbed blood sugars remain in the bloodstream, which results and leads to high blood sugars. But how have our cells become insulin resistant? Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of our cells. Each cell has 500 to 1500 mitochondria. And over a period of time, due to internal and external factors, these mitochondria start becoming dysfunctional or impaired. This is what leads to insulin resistance, which then leads to diabetes. Likewise, there are other root causes like poor gut, low quality of sleep, stress, dehydration, blue light toxicity, among others. Now the final question is, what is the solution? The answer is pretty simple. Hit the nail on the head. Keeping blood sugar levels in check through medications will make you medicine dependent for life. The more the sugars increase, the more the medicines you take. Instead, what we should target is insulin resistance, mitochondrial regeneration, and addressing the root causes mentioned earlier. And how do we do that? Well, it isn't really rocket science, but it does require an evidence-based and holistic method. All you need to do is make some changes to your lifestyle, to your diet, readjust what is causing the imbalances, and add what is missing. We at Wealthfinity have helped and enabled thousands of our members do just that. So if you wish to be free of diabetes or any other chronic diseases, log into www.wealthfinity.in or call or WhatsApp at the number given on your screen to know more in health and in wellness.